Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the COUNTBLANK function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is used to count the number of empty cells in a certain range of cells. So for the purpose of this video I have created a little table that has two empty cells, and we are going to use the COUNTBLANK function in order to see what it does if I select this whole range of cells. So to be able to write this function, it's pretty simple. We are going to select a cell and we are going to start out with an equal sign. Then we are going to write down COUNTBLANK and we can open up our parentheses. The next step will be selecting the range of cells with which we want to work. So in our case, we want to know how many blank cells are inside of this range of cells. So here it's pretty simple. We know that the answer will be 2. Now, if for example I want to have a larger range of cells, so here for example I have a function that generates random numbers, so I can just, for example right here, there we go, and just like that I'm gonna delete some of them. Here we go. Alright, now if I want to go here and do the same exercise, so instead of working with just 10 numbers, I'm going to work with a little bit more numbers. And just like that, I know that there is 9 empty cells inside of all this range of cells. If I want to add some more numbers, so I can take it like this. And just like that, I know that it's still 8, but if I delete those cells right here, and I work with this range of cells, I will be able to know that there is 19 empty cells inside of all this range of cells. So this is how you use the COUNTBLANK function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.